Do you want to make money online from the comfort of your own home? There are many ways to make money online, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income. Method 1: Freelance writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can make money online by freelance writing for blogs, websites, and online publications. There are many websites that connect writers with clients who need content. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Method 2: Online surveys. Another way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Many companies will pay you for your opinion on their products and services. While you won't get rich from taking online surveys, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Method 3: Online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money online by teaching others. Online teaching platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create and sell your own courses. You can set your own prices and earn money every time someone purchases your course. Method 4: Virtual assistant. If you're organized and have strong administrative skills, you can make money online as a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, and social media management. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, or by reaching out to potential clients directly. Method 5: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you make. You can become an affiliate marketer by joining affiliate programs on websites like Amazon, or by partnering with brands directly. Method 6: Online store. If you have products to sell, you can make money online by opening your own online store. You can create your own website or use an online platform like Etsy to sell your products to a global audience. Method 7: Online trading. Online trading involves buying and selling stocks, currencies, and other financial assets over the internet. While it can be risky, online trading can be a lucrative way to make money from home if you have the skills and knowledge needed. There are many ways to make money online from home. The key is to find a method that works for you and to stay committed to your goals. Thanks for watching.